Historic human perspectives often treated the night sky as a dome, a flat, painted ceiling spanning the Earth. Away from city lights, that ceiling reveals a distinct Milky Band. It is a dense river of glowing starlight, interrupted by inky dark patches. These pitch-black daps appear to be voids in a two-dimensional canvas, where the light simply fails to reach us. This perspective is an artifact of our location inside the disk of a 13.6 billion-year-old structure. Seeing the Milky Way this way means looking sideways through the density of our own galaxy. The Milky Way is a flattened disk. It measures about 1,000 light-years from top to bottom, 1 light-year being the roughly 9.5 trillion kilometers light travels in a single year. This disk holds the majority of the galaxy's gas and dust, providing raw materials for a high concentration of younger stars. The dark patches seen from Earth are physical clouds of interstellar dust. They block the visible light of stars sitting directly behind them. To find our specific address, we navigate past the 4 major spiral arms to a smaller offshoot, the Orion Spur. Our solar system sits 26,000 light-years from the galactic center, placing us roughly halfway between the core and the outer edge. Because we are embedded within this structure, we see the galaxy as a band, the view from inside a cross-section. Our entire solar system is locked in a relentless forward plunge through the dense star fields of the disk. We are orbiting the galactic center at a speed of 220 kilometers per second. A single revolution takes between 225 and 250 million years. This time frame is known as a cosmic year. The last time Earth occupied these specific coordinates in its orbit, the first dinosaurs were just beginning to appear. This orbit acts as a deep time clock, marking the galaxy as a rotating ecosystem rather than a static backdrop. Pulling out reveals the galaxy's full diameter, spanning 100,000 to 150,000 light-years. Modern observations identify the Milky Way as a barred spiral galaxy. An elongated bar of stars crosses the middle, with major arms peeling outward from its ends. Dive into the center of this bulge, a dense, spherical concentration of ancient stars. Within the center of the bulge lies Sagittarius A star, the supermassive black hole anchoring the galaxy. This single point in space contains a mass roughly 4 million times that of our own sun. Pulling out toward the furthest edge brings us to the halo, a vast spherical region enveloping the disk. This region contains the dark matter, providing the gravitational mass required to hold all 100 to 400 billion stars together. Understanding these dimensions reframes the experience of looking up at the night sky. That band of light across the sky is a 1,000 light-year thick cross-section of a barred spiral. When you look into that band, your line of sight passes toward a supermassive black hole and out toward a halo of dark matter. We occupy a planetary ship on a 250 million-year orbit, traveling through a structured ecosystem.